to push this a little bit further, so to maintain the standard. So I'm going to do that shortly. So I've done some adjustments on that. So this is my vernier, is showing 0 0. So I had to measure the distance in between. So it's showing us 0.628, so that's fine. 2.8 and 2.3, that's what it's supposed to be. So we're still within the tolerance. That's perfect. So next we're going to do now is to fix in the stress relief at this point, or specified. So I'll finally fix up the stress relief tool. So I'm going to run that cycle now. Auto. Cycle is on. So it's going to feed out to fix up the stress relief right there. So we're trying to fix up the stress relief with the VNMD tool. So it's going to take a few minutes to fix it. So I need to on the coolant oil to reduce the pressure on the tool. You know? Okay. So we're still fixing up. Still fixing up. Still in the process. There's a lot of cooling pressure to avoid the excess heat. So the turret is still fixing this shit. So this is cycle here running. This cycle running. So these are distances. And these already calculated cycles. You get overtakes in the system. So that's just what we do for a living. Okay? So I have to close my guard door for safety reasons. You understand? So the chips will not be flowing out anyhow. So this is a full long drill collar pipe. So this is the opposite end of it. So it's running through all this distance towards this point. So it's a very long and heavy tool I'm preparing this morning. So it's called Bricola, heavyweight Brico. So this is the back side of it. So this place is double chalked for frame grip and all that. So I'm fine with the gauging now. So I'm putting up the stress relief group. So I'm still on the process. So the groove is forming gradually. As programmed, you can see it's forming there, right there. So I'm going to show you once I finish cutting. So the cycle is still running. It's still running. Okay, that's just it. So I'm still running the last part of the SRG. So the pressure is lesser now. So still running it. It's still finishing. It's finishing the process. So with my VNMD tool. So let me view it very close. I'm taking a very faint cut. It's called finishing cycle, finishing cut, finishing cut. So it's very faint. What's going on? Let's take it very lightly. So the process is finished. So the robot is going back to its position. So everything is going to shut down now. So the system also shut down, and this is the stress relief group. So this is the group. So after fixing the thread, then you have to fix up the stress relief group. And there are distances that could be measured with measuring instruments such as vernier calipers and micrometer screw gauge. So this is how it's going to look like. Very fine. This is the stress relief. Okay, let me just wipe it off. Let me wipe the dust on it. this finished product. So we're going to offload it shortly. So it's going to be coated. That is phosphate, hot phosphate, to prevent this from rusting subsequently. So this is my VNNG tool. It's still fine after finishing the process. The VNNG tool is still fine. At every point, still fine, still set for the next process. So I'm going to do another this again. I have 2 of it to manufacture today again. Thanks for watching. Overtakes on the show. Thanks for having me here.